Hi there, I just got these great Pankoo high definition binoculars, 12 times zoom by 42 millimeter lenses that are really powerful. I got them on Amazon. They are superb and they're really easy to use. I'm going to show you now. They are sleek, black, and lightweight, only 1.4 pounds. Here's what I got with my purchase. It comes with a great carrying case with a strap as well that you can put around your neck, and then another strap on the binoculars themselves. A manual for instructions and a lens cloth. There's also eyepiece covers that are detachable, or you can leave them right on the binoculars, and eyepiece lens covers as well. They are super easy to use and the image quality is just outstanding. They have a really great feature as well built in, which is for your eyepieces. If you wear glasses, you compress the eyepiece down and it suits your glasses better. Or if you do not wear glasses, just pull up the eyepieces for a nice, snug, tight fit on your eyes. Here's how you use them. First, you adjust the distance between your two eyepieces. I like to compress them down like this. It works best for me. You will get one singular circular field. Then you adjust the wheel in the center until the left eye becomes clear. Then, second, you adjust the right eye lens until you get just one image super clear. Both eyes are now in focus. After, when you want to change views, all you have to do is move the center wheel slightly to sharpen on the new image. The image quality is just unbelievable. The sharpness is breathtaking. The detail that you'll get with these binoculars, they'll absolutely deliver for you. So remember, Pankoo, multi-use, super easy to use, amazing HD image quality, durable, well-built, strong, and tough. So get yours today on Amazon and check out the reviews online. Enjoy!